guys, this is the Don with Overlanding Anglers, and welcome back to the channel. We are getting all geared up for more Expo, where the War Machine is going to be displayed at the Wander Off-Road Outfitters booth. Now this morning, as I walked across the street to get the mail, I happened to look back at the War Machine, which I frequently do, and I noticed it was absolutely filthy. And why wouldn't it be? We live in Oklahoma where even the rain is dirty. One of the things I cannot just let go is having a dirty vehicle on display at a major conference. So it's time to get it cleaned up. And the one place that we really need to get clean that we often neglect is tires. And why wouldn't it be? They come in contact with more things than really the rest of your vehicle. And we've had a lot of fun with these tires. Memories. But unfortunately, these things are filthy. We often neglect them, but we really need to be taking better care of our tires. And we'll talk about why and show you how to do that. So, let's go. Now, after researching some stuff on the internet, I stumbled upon this. This is Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner from the Chemical Guys. And you guys know how I feel about the Chemical Guys. So I decided to give it a try. One thing we're going to need, aside from a lot of this, is a nice flat brush for the big part of the tire, and then we're going to need a smaller brush to work this product in kind of around the sidewall tread to make sure that we can get that product everywhere. And finally, you're going to need a lot of these microfiber cloths to wipe everything off. Now, we split our tire down the middle with duct tape because, to be honest, I was out of painter's tape, and I can't see a reason to keep talking about it, so let's just go do it. So following the instructions, all you have to do is spray Nonsense directly onto the surface or onto a brush and gently work it in. Then just let it sit for 10 to 60 seconds and wipe it off with a microfiber towel. No rinsing or washing required. Can you believe all that dirt and grime that came off? I honestly wasn't expecting it to work this well because that would be liquid witchcraft, but just look at it. In the interest of being thorough, check out this before shot. And here is the after shot of the same tire. Now that's not bad for tires that have been abused for close to 30,000 miles. All right, guys, there you have it. We just got half that tire done, but that was an amazing difference. I had no idea that my tires were this dirty. And you really do have to take care of your tires. If you don't, they're gonna crack, they might tear, and you're gonna have a premature failure of your tire, which is gonna be expensive because these tires are not cheap. As far as the Chemical Guys Nonsense Cleaner, guys, this stuff is amazing and it is no nonsense. Man, you guys should really get this. And I'm going to post a link down below to the Amazon page for this. And also those brush set that I bought is also going to be down here. Until next time, guys, you guys have a great week. Keep exploring. Bye.